Hello everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This week we're taking you out to the Truthpoint Church Cruisin for Jesus car show on Dunn Avenue in Jacksonville, Florida. This was a great little show. I shouldn't say little, it was a nice sized show. There were a lot of cool cars out there. We enjoyed it for the little while we were there because we got hot and we got tired real quick. And there wasn't just, we had already been to a show, so it's just a whole thing. Anyway, this is the Walkabout cam. We take a selfie stick and a camera and just go around and look at all the cars. So you guys get the car show experience without having to go to the car show if you're busy and you just ain't got time to do it. So we do it for you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. It was a great show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Keep these videos coming at you.
You made it.
Yep. I had to go somewhere else first. Oh, not much.
Good to see ya.
Pittsburgh, PA, deep in the heart of Texas, around Frisco Bay, all on the St. Louis, and down in New Orleans, all the
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Truthpoint Church car show Cruisin for Jesus. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please consider giving us a like, a subscribe, a comment. Share it around to your car people, your non-car people. We don't care. We don't discriminate. We like everybody on this channel. And any help you could be on that would be great. We're trying to get to our initial 500 to get the YouTube ad dollars rolling in to expand the channel and do better and more stuff. So, yeah, any help you could be on that, it'd be great. You know, please consider dropping a like, subscribe, any kind of interaction with the channel. You can even, you know, comment a little thumbs up or something, and it helps. Just, you got to have interaction with the channel to get the algorithm to share us out and grow us. It's a YouTube-y thing. Anyway, so, like I say on every video, I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.